What's up, y'all? It's Hunter back with Ball on a Budget. I just wanted to update y'all. So, as you can see, the truck's not in the driveway. Any guesses on what happened? Well, as you can guess, yeah, it broke again. Cat eye's down. It's been down for like 2 weeks, right about. And I got some new heads on the way. I got some 243 heads with some better springs, so it ain't gotta worry about them dropping valves. Cause that's what ended up happening was it dropped valves on two of the cylinders on the driver's side and passenger side. So I had to order new pistons and rods for those. And then I got lucky and it didn't scar the cylinder wall. So I only had to replace the piston and rod. And I got some headers. And because I was like, might as well go full bolt on if I get new heads and then get headers, so you know. And then I'm gonna buy an AFR gauge and some custom pillars that go so you can like see it like down when you get in, and you can see the AFR gauges. And then I got like I said, the headers already, and then I got the new heads, the 243 heads. And then I got I needed an oil change anyways, so I got that. I got some antifreeze, and I got some better push rods with a thickerness for the 243 heads and the really 660 springs, and I'll show y'all that in a minute. So I mean, I'm just storing it away right now where I keep all my like detailing supplies at. Speed engineering headers, as you see, those will be put on. Went and bought some gaskets for them. Here's the push rods, oil, antifreeze, and some Lucas and oil filter. All my cleaning stuff's in the way right now, but kind of sick too, so if I sound kind of funny, that's why. But I'll update y'all whenever I get over to my buddy Peyton's house. Just gonna go drop off the push rods, pick up some windshield wipers. I need some of those. Exhaust manifold gaskets, oil filter, some Lucas, antifreeze, and the best part is the speed engineering headers. Yup. Alright, I'm gonna drop those off to my buddy Peyton's house. I'll update y'all when I get there. Alright, y'all, I forgot to video dropping it off. I got some cinematic clips, but I'm not gonna put it in the video because it's gonna be in the not right. It'll be like short and small. Anyways, like not the right figure or whatever. But anyways, I dropped off all the parts. I'm driving back to my house now, and I'll update y'all whenever I go pick up the truck and all that. So I forgot to video me picking up the truck for some reason. But I'm gonna just show these clips, even though I said I wasn't gonna do it. I'm still gonna do it. But I'm gonna just insert these clips of when I first got the truck back. just some clips when I was getting my exhaust welded up by a couple of my buddies. But yeah, then this next clips are just at the meet. They had a meet in BR that weekend, and I decided to go this weekend. And shout out to my boy Chris for tuning my truck, and shout out to my boy Peyton for helping me out, getting everything back together and fixing the truck and installing all the mechanic work. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Ethan Fraser here.
Yeah.
Right now we got Stone Cold Steve Austin right here. WWE's Body Slammer. Got 2006 Cat-Off.
Yeah, a big FTS.
26x14.
We out here in Walker at this little meet right now. Pre-meet. It's kind of deep. Got mine. Little update. I forgot to update mine. Yeah, got G13s now. Headers. New top end. Yo, we deep out tonight. I'll probably video some more tonight at the meet. But yo,
I bet you I can find it.
Neff's on activities.
Just turn that wheel and talk. It was a good wobbler. Try to follow this fucking squeaky. As he says, they're lower control on. There's no way lower control is that loud. I got the license plate. Oh. That bottom. It's spindle. Yeah, you got balls there. Make the window tint more black.
Spray the grill and headlights. Y'all spray my shit
And spray the rims.
each and every one.
Hey, make them rims shine.
Yes.
Spray the rim.
Nice
There's a well right there, son.
Huh?
There's a well in your rim.
Oh,
Yeah, totally.
dang.
Totally. They're fucking brand
April
new,
Fools.
dumbass.
Man, I saw you. Them bitches are used, bro.
Do they spin?
Do I need to go get the receipt?
Nah, bro. Where'd you buy them from?
DTV.
Don't let them lie.
happening, Big Austin?
Big EL.
Big EL? God damn. Does that look familiar? Do these look familiar? Oh, what about these? What about these? 3 of my old setups. 1, 2, and then my bro over there got my Wise, the hardcores. 1, 2, 3. Old setup number 3. This is wild. I just keep trading the people down here.
You still got the other one?
Fucker's loud.
Hold up, Gino. Everybody's like, come on, Gino. No shot. Hey, buddy. Come on, Gino. Alright, you good?
Burning bitches. Hey, pull up, pull up.
Whatever y'all say, burn it.
Pull it up, pull it up. Alright.
Hey, we're the protection on the truck. Was it oil for go?
And then after the meet with downtown Hammond and was hanging out with some people, shout out to my boy Corey and Austin, and everybody was with us. And shout out to the Hammond police for letting us know the new law.
Louisiana like a year and a half ago. That's what I mean for transplant.
And then in these next clips, I'm just going to put me getting pulled over. And then after, because the first place that we went to was Cons, and then everybody left, and then I went to go leave, and I got pulled over. And then when I first put up to the meet, I noticed my truck was running hot. So I jumped out, and then my temperature gauge was pegged all the way to hot, like on the max. And I was like, what in the world? And then I hop out, and I open my hood, and then it just explodes like water, like a volcano, all the way out. And then the smoke starts like putting out and stuff, and then like water's falling out the bottom, and then my truck kept running hot. And I'm on my way trying to make it to AutoZone, and then a BR cop pulls me over. And then he doesn't write me for anything because my squat's like legal or whatever. But and then we make it to freaking AutoZone, and then we figure it out. I'm thinking like, why is my stuff not staying hot? Because I've added more coolant and water, and it was still running hot. And then I realized my fans weren't turning on, and I was like, oh, maybe that's why. And then I looked underneath there, and my radiator fan, the plugs came unplugged. So we plugged them back in, and fan still wouldn't come on. So I called Peyton, and he's like, take a rag and squeeze the radiator tubes that go to the radiator from the coolant reservoir. And I did that a couple times, and sure enough, you know, it opened the thermostat up, and then the fans came on, and then my truck quit running hot. Got it figured out, and then these next couple clips are me just rollers on the way back home. So. Overall, it was a pretty fun meet. I forgot to install, I got a new AFR gauge. I'll just give y'all a rundown what all I got new. I got new headers. I got new 799 heads with dual 660 springs and chromoly push rods. And then, yeah, that was pretty much it. And then I swapped over to like the better flow heads and then got it tuned. And then I got my AFR gauge installed. And then I went and got it tuned. And I just want to say thank you to everybody who helped me get my truck back on the road this weekend. And I want to say thank you to J-Lo for throwing a meet in BR this weekend. It was pretty dope. And thank you for everybody who helped me get to this point.